guys, so yeah, we are going to Kriška Gora today. We are leaving foggy Ljubljana. We are going to Tržič, and then from Tržič we will go up to Kriška Gora. We are on our way to base camp. Yeah, boy. Guys, so today we are going on Kriška Gora. We started from Križe, and now we will have like 2 hours or 2 hours and a half walk up there on a snowy mountain. It is really super nice. We're enjoying the hike, enjoying the snow. I don't know if you guys see it, but all the fog down there. We are above the fog already. It's super nice, super sunny. Can't wait to reach the summit. Put my sunglasses on because the sun is shining too much, too hard. Yeah. A little bit of hot tea. We have the first break. Watching the beautiful view. Come to the first beautiful view. Look at this. It's amazing. It looks super nice. Woo! I could be here forever. Here's my friend going through the snow. Here's a true winter fairy tale. We're going into the deep snow. Look at this. It looks so amazing. It's almost half a meter of snow. It's quite intense, but yeah, it's super nice. Look at this. A sunny day on a snowy mountain. Super nice. Woo! Summit. That is so amazing. The sun is quite deep, but so beautiful. We have just arrived to the summit of Mount Kriška Gora. Here's the mountaineering cabin. And look at this amazing view. This is it! Woo! guys, this is the part that everybody hates, but I still need to do it. So I would really appreciate for everybody that likes this kind of content and this video to press like and subscribe to my channel. This is how you support me and my channel, so that I can make more of this kind of content. So I really appreciate it if you subscribe and like and maybe comment to this video if you have time. Thank you so much and enjoy the videos.